Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for deep dives into premium creative tools. Today, we are talking about the best stretched canvas large gallery wrapped, a product that has truly set a benchmark for artists looking for professional-grade surfaces. We're reviewing the 18 by 24 inch, 4-pack stretched gallery artist canvas from Greg's Art Supplies. Let's begin with the build quality, and it's nothing short of impressive. This canvas is handcrafted in North America using 1.5-inch deep North American basswood stretcher bar frames. That alone tells you this isn't your run-of-the-mill canvas. Each frame is carefully constructed with added cross braces for extra strength and stability. The stretch is tight, firm, and uniform, ensuring you get a flat painting surface that won't sag over time. Now, let's talk about what it's made of. This is a 100% natural cotton canvas, double primed with acid-free acrylic titanium gesso. The result is a thick, 15-ounce finished weight canvas that feels professional the moment you lay eyes, or hands, on it. The priming gives it a smooth but slightly textured base, perfect for accepting all kinds of painting mediums. Whether you're into oil, acrylics, watercolor, gouache, alkyds, tempera, or even pouring and airbrushing, this canvas is ready to take it all on. If you're wondering about the corners and stapling, you'll be glad to know this canvas is hand-stretched with high tension and back-stapled. The corners are folded and uncut, maintaining a clean, tailored appearance that's gallery-ready right out of the box. There's an obvious attention to detail here that reflects its premium positioning. Durability is another area where this product stands out. Thanks to the kiln-dried warp-resistant basswood and superior construction methods, these canvases hold their form, even in varied studio or storage conditions. They don't warp, they don't twist. They stay true, flat, and solid. Greg's Art Supplies emphasizes this is not a mass-produced import. This is a handcrafted, North American-made product designed for artists who don't want to compromise. Whether you're a seasoned professional, a passionate student, or a weekend hobbyist, you're going to feel the quality with every stroke of the brush. Another thing worth mentioning is how versatile and universal the usability is. Not every canvas supports all painting types equally well, but this one does. That means no matter your style or technique, this product adapts and delivers consistently. In terms of packaging, the canvases arrive securely packed, with protective corners to maintain edge integrity during shipping. And the fact that it comes in a 4-pack means you're ready for multiple projects, large compositions, or a consistent series of works without having to reorder again and again. To sum it up, the Greg's Art Supplies 18 by 24 gallery wrapped canvas pack hits the sweet spot of professional quality, durability, and versatility. It's built with care, made with superior materials, and ready to perform with whatever painting technique you throw at it. If you're ready to elevate your art game and want a surface that won't let you down, this is the canvas to try. We'll have the product link in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.